Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the flavors of the world. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Mexican cuisine to bring you a true culinary gem, Cochinita Pibil. But before we indulge in this mouth-watering dish, let's take a moment to appreciate its rich history and flavors. Fact number 1, a dish rooted in Mayan traditions. Cochinita Pibil is a traditional Mexican dish with deep roots in Mayan culture. The Mayans, known for their advanced agricultural practices, would prepare this dish by marinating the meat in a blend of spices and cooking it underground in a pit oven called a pib. Fact number 2, the flavorful marinating process. What makes Cochinita Pibil truly unique is its marinating process. The meat, usually pork, is marinated in a tangy mixture of sour orange juice, ACHIOTE paste, garlic, and spices. This marinade infuses the meat with a burst of vibrant flavors. Fact number 3, the mysterious ACHIOTE paste. One of the essential ingredients in Cochinita Pibil is ACHIOTE paste. This reddish paste is made from ground annatto seeds, which give the dish its signature color and earthy flavor. ACHIOTE has been used in Mexican cuisine for centuries and adds a touch of magic to this dish. Fact number 4, the slow cooking process. The magic of Cochinita Pibil lies in its slow cooking process. Ever wondered why Cochinita Pibil is often wrapped in banana leaves? Well, besides imparting a subtle tropical aroma, the banana leaves act as a natural foil, keeping the meat moist and infusing it with delicate flavors during the slow cooking process. After marinating, the meat is traditionally wrapped in banana leaves, which not only infuse it with a delicate aroma but also keep it moist and tender. The package is then cooked low and slow, allowing the flavors to meld together perfectly. Fact number 5, served with delicious accompaniments. When it comes to serving Cochinita Pibil, it's all about the perfect balance of flavors. Typically, it's accompanied by pickled red onions, known as escabeche, and served on warm, freshly made corn tortillas. The combination of the juicy meat, tangy onions, and soft tortillas is absolutely heavenly. And there you have it, my friends, Cochinita Pibil, a true culinary masterpiece from Mexico. The tender, flavorful pork, the vibrant colors, and the rich history behind this dish make it a must-try for any food lover. The explosion of flavors in my mouth is simply incredible. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the world of Mexican cuisine and try making Cochinita Pibil yourself. Thank you for joining us on this delicious journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more culinary adventures.